simple little trade recap here that I'll be breaking down. This video is going to be short, 3 minutes long or so. I'm going to just go over my analysis. So this is on NASDAQ, and as we can see, all the momentum is to the downside on all time frames. We're just bearish. We kind of had this strong dump, went up to this upwards channel, little flag thing, broke down, right? Then we saw the same thing happen here after we took out that low. Another little upwards channel, this one much smaller, but same thing. And then end of day dump yesterday when Trump imposed his new tariff plan. So yeah, we had the end of day market dump, overnight retracement up into some swing areas, and then started pushing down. Okay, so at the time I took the trade, was right about here. We were already pushing down. I'm looking at this low right here as a clear draw on liquidity, right? We're in a bearish trend on all these time frames. We had our retracement to a resistance level. We're breaking structure to the downside. We had a liquidity sweep right here, right? So as we're moving down, 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 down with all these things in mind, I'm thinking, okay, I think price is going to take out these lows. What will be the area that pushes price down into that level? And I saw this very simple 5-minute order block, right? Along with the 5-minute order block, you could see is this 5-minute fair value gap. It's small, but it still holds value. Okay, so we have a fair value gap overlapping a order block. Wait, get this. We also have it lining up with a resistance level. Okay, that's 3 confluences. Plus, you have all these time frames bearish with the draw to the downside. 4 confluences. So simply from here, I'm just waiting for a strong rejection that shows aggressive selling, and this candle kind of did with this wick and then this, but I just didn't like the way it looked. And then right there, boom, beautiful. Take it down to these lows. You could go tight stop if you want. I gave it a little bit of breathing room. And then it runs down. Now on the way down, you could have also caught one of these bear flags. A little boom, boom, close strong to the downside. Another one, boom, boom, close strong to the downside. This one would have been more risky because we were already closing at this low. So there's a chance it reversed there, but obviously it didn't. Okay, simple trade. And now what I'll be waiting for next is either price to hold value below this low and then retrace up into some different areas, which I have not even thought about yet. Well, here's another order block here. Maybe we wait for price to retrace up into that order block to see continuation to the downside. Maybe we decide to have a strong bounce from here and start to close back above this level and start to see some shifts, maybe some 5-minute shifts, 5-minute fair value gaps created, right, like this, shifting this way. Then we can look to play to the upside. Who knows? Maybe back up into these highs if price starts pushing all the way back up here, and we make our way, say, 50% of the way from here to here. Okay, that's the wrong tool. But say we get up here and we start holding value above like 50% of this leg, then it can start looking for longs up into these highs. So on and so forth. If we keep going up, look for longs into these highs. If not, we create a low here, right? We create a low here, retracement, push down, see what ES says. Probably something very similar. ES, okay, same story on ES. We just took out this low. Maybe we reverse up into, I know this is a draw I've been waiting for. I was looking at this in the middle of the night in London session. We never ended up getting there. Had a bunch of like trades ready to go that never went through. Let me delete all this shit. Never got confirmation or whatever. So yeah, basically we'll look for what kind of reactions we get off of this order block with this now resistance on ES. See, fair value up here, or we'll see if we hold value above here. We can start looking for moves into these highs. Okay, all right, that's fucking it. Let's go, boys. Well, the weather